Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Myself is Manoj Mangadi. In the previous exercise, we were doing the problems of exercise 3.2 and we have completed it. So in today's class, we are going to do the exercise 3.3 in the understanding quadrilaterals. Okay students, and one more thing students, please like it and share it and subscribe the channel. I will be taking this class in the bilingual language in English and Hindi. Okay students. Okay students, now let's start the class. Okay, exercise, we are going to do exercise 3.3. In this one, the nothing concept is there that we have to know. Exercise, in this one we have to know the parallelogram. First I will say some equation, some topic of parallelogram. Dear students, this is a parallelogram pair. Parallelogram is nothing but a quadrilateral equation is one part of a parallelogram. Parallelogram means in parallelogram opposite sides will be equal. Opposite sides will be equal and opposite angles will be equal. Angle A and angle B. Opposite angles will be equal. Opposite sides will be equal. And we call this both as alternate angles. Alternate angles will be 180 degree. Alternate angles or supplementary angles. We take the supplementary angle, it will be 180 degree. So this is the basics of some parallel. So it will be helpful in the problems. Okay, sir? By solving the problems, we will come to know solve things. इधर parallelogram में क्या हो गया बोले तो opposite sides will be equal और opposite angles equal रहता है और कभी भी दो साइड रहता है ना उसे सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल और अल्टरनेट एंगल्स बोलते हैं उसे 180 डिग्री रहता है. ओके, अभी क्या बोले तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के मालूम चलेगा तुमको. ओके, now I'll start like the problems. I'll start the problem. You will be coming to know this one. Okay, students. Wait one second. I will write properly here. Opposite sides will be equal means parallel. AB parallel to BC and BA parallel to BC and it will be equal. AB length will be equal BC, BA and opposite angles will be equal. Angle B is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle C. Okay, so this is a basic concept you must know it. Okay, note it down. I start the problem. So students, here the first problem is given a parallelogram figure ABC complete each statement. There is given a parallelogram figure is there. So here a parallelogram figure is there. This is a parallelogram figure. I will name it ABC and diagonals will be there. First, in this one, first question, AB is equal to which one? Second one, angle BCB is equal to what? Third one, OC is equal to what? Fourth one, angle MGAB plus angle MCBA is what? So friends, here first one. So students, here the first question is a parallelogram. I have your parallelogram. Parallelogram means AD. This will be equal to this one. Y means opposite sides will be equal in length. So AD is equal to DC. Y means opposite sides are equal. Question got it? AD is equal to opposite. If AD is equal to AD means this side will be equal to this side. So BC. If it is given AB means DC, AD is given means BC. Okay. Okay. So next one, angle DCB. Angle DCB. This angle. Opposite angles will be equal. So this angle will be equal. So I will take DAB. This angle will be equal. Okay. In this one, opposite angles are equal. So students, got it? Opposite angles will be equal. Now here, see OC. This part. OC is equal to this part. In diagonal will be half will be divided means OC is equal to A. Okay, so this is very easy. See here, DAB, CBA means this. The whole will be 180 degree. Alternative angles. Alternative angles will be 180 degree or corresponding angles. We call it as corresponding compound angles. Alternate angle will be better. Alternate angle. Alternate angle is side by side angle. We call it alternate angle. Alternate angle is side by side. So we will take this 180 degree. Okay, students. In this way, you have to solve. So this way is parallel or basic. We have to know this. You can solve it. Okay, students. Note it down. We'll go to the next problem. So student, next one. Second main. Consider the following parallelogram. Find the value of unknown xyz. We have to find the value of xyz in every figure. We have to find the values of xyz in every figure. Okay, student. Now the first problem we got it as this one. First one. First figure we got it as AB, CD. In this one, this is 100 x, x, y, z. Okay, students. First one, in this one we have to find the x, y, z values. Opposite angles will be equal. So here angle y is equal to angle b. We are getting 100. So angle y is equal to 100. Okay, sir. Now y plus z will be, yes, students. Angle y plus z will be, alternate angles will be in parallel will be 180 degree. So angle y is how much? 100. Plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. So here we are getting angle z is equal to 180 minus 100. So angle z will be 80 degree. So angle z will be 80 degree. Now angle x, opposite sides will be equal. So it will be 80 degree. So students, in this way we have to solve this problem. Okay. I am hoping that you are finding it little bit difficult. New concept is very difficult, but try to understand it. Okay. Okay. Angle z will be 80. Note it down. We will go to the next problem. So second question. Here we have to find xyz value. The figure is this. Okay. Here the value is minus 50 x y z. Okay students, here 15 means this will be 55 means opposite will be angle. So here 50 means here will be 180 degree. This will be a 180 degree. So what will we take it? Otherwise you take this both. Alternate angles will be 180. So x plus 50 is equal to 180. So here again x is equal to 180 minus 50. So x is equal to 120. Angle x is 120. So this is 120. This is 130 means this also will be angle y also will be 130 degree. Angle y also will be 130 degree. So it is alternate angle. Friends, here one more thing. Angle x and y are corresponding angles. This will be a corresponding angle. This will be alternate angle. Z will be alternate angle. This will be a corresponding. So friends, here this will be a this will be a corresponding angle. So we take it as angle x. Otherwise you take it as y. Y and z will be y and angle z will be alternate angles. We can take anything. So angle y, angle z will be 130 degree. Okay, students, got it? It is very easy. You can do it. Okay, got it down. I'll go to the next problem. So students, third question is we have to find here x, y, z values. So I take the question is degree. This will be x. This will be y. This will be z. Here we have to find x, y, z values. In parallel of opposite sides will be equal. This will be equal. This will be equal. Now here x means 90 degree. Angle x is 90 degree. Y means is perpendicular. So this whole will be 180 degree. So we can take now. So here we can take it as now x plus y plus 30. It is a triangle. So we will take it as 180 degree. It is a triangle. Triangle means the triangle value will be 180 degree. A of the triangle will be 180 degree. So here we will get x value is 90 degree. 90 plus y plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Y is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 30. So y is equal to 60 degree. 180, 90 plus 30 is 120. 180 minus 20 is 60. Y is 60 degree. Angle x or angle y. So here, friends, here the concept is alternative angles. See, z is there. Z we can take. Z will, so this angle will be and this angle will be equal. Alternative angles. Angle y is equal to angle z is equal to alternative angles. Y means we have parallel side. So we take it as a alternate angle. So now angle z will be 60 degree. Okay, students, got it? Okay, got it now. I'll go to the next problem. Okay, students. Now the next problem, fourth one. Fourth one, there is a figure. We have to find the x, y, z formula values. This is the figure. Z, y, x, 80 degree. Here we have to find the value of all this one. Okay, now see students, z value will be 80. Y means corresponding angles. So I will say the concept way. This is the any figure will be the this side, this will be a corresponding angles. A, B, this angle will be corresponding angles, and this angle will be alternative angles. So Z, if it is Z will be coming means alternative angles. Line will be there, here there will be corresponding angles. Okay, we must know this one. So angle Z will be 80. Why means it is a corresponding angles. Now angle Z and Y will be Z is there. So in the Z form is there. So we take alternative angles. Angle Z is equal to angle Y is equal to 80. Why means it is a corresponding alternative angle, because it is an alternative. This will be a corresponding angle. Now friends, we got Z and Y. X, Y, how will we find out X? Means angle Z, angle Y plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Angle X we have to find out. So we get 180 minus angle Y. Angle Y is 80. So angle X is equal to, angle X is equal to, we get 100. So here we will find all the values. Okay students, got it? Okay, got it now? I go to the last problem of this main second 3.8 second one. Got it now? I go to the last of this one. Second one, last question. If one, so this is a parallelogram. In this one, he has given a diagonal. Here is y, here is 120 degree, here is x, and here is z, here is 40 degree. Okay, students, got it? Now. So opposite angles will be equal. So angle Y will be 1.2 degree. Okay, students, got it? Now this will both will have this will getting 180 because it is an alternate angle. So here I will be taking it as angle Y plus angle 40 plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. So angle Z is equal to 180 minus 40 minus angle Y means 112. This is a question. Okay. Now here 110 plus 40 means 150. 152. 180 minus 152. 180 minus 152 means 28 degree. Z will be getting as 28 degree. Here Z will be 28 degree. So opposite sides will be equal. So angle X is equal to 40 plus 28 degree. We are getting 68 degree. Okay students, angle X will be 68 degree. In this way we are getting 68 degree. Okay. Okay students, I will wind up the class here. Second one is completed. From the next class I will be taking the third one, and I will be winding up the exercise 3.0. Okay students. If you are facing any doubts, please comment me. I will reply it. Okay. Okay students, thank you.